So the next step is we're going to add this mixture to the carrot mix.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
So this has got the carrots and the radishes. All right, we're going to see if we can blend this up. It's going to make delicious soup, all from the garden. All right, that's it. So now we would store it away until lunchtime or dinner time, and let's take a look and see what it looks like. So what these are here are French purple beans. I have a video coming on how to cook these. And these are green normal beans, which are really yellow. And in the middle I have a little sprig of mint in this delicious soup. Yeah, we're going to have the original soup, the cold soup. And what you could do is add maybe one of these. Ooh, it's hot. Top. So what you have is you have your cold soup, because it's very hot outside, that will refresh you. And on top of that, you have your cauliflower, which has been soaked with the radish and carrot and a little bit of onion with tofu. And you also have this wrap one. If you take the leaf off, it's completely cooked. Don't have to eat the leaf, but the leaf is nutritious. And it's going to impart the charred flavor on top of your cauliflower. Now let's test it. And let's take a picture of it first. So this soup was entirely made from vegetables in my garden. The carrots were from my garden, the radishes were from the community garden, but basically my garden. And all these beans are on top of from my garden. I also grow 2 different types of mints, which I've also placed in here. The radish leaves, which you can't really eat by themselves, were blended in here. And now you have a delicious, nicely tasting soup that has half of a container of House Foods extra firm tofu, everything you need. And I have enough for at least, right now I have, the oven's ready. I have enough right there for at least 2, maybe 3 more meals. What you have here is you have your cold soup on a super hot day like working in the garden. This is going to be wonderful. But as an additional side, you also have your cauliflower. And it's very decorative flavor on the top, but it doesn't change the taste of the cauliflower. It's just like an additional layer of goodness. And if you were to eat the leaf, it tastes like a dried up charred leaf, but it's not objectionable. A little chewy, but it can work for you. Okay, so now you've seen a very different vegan dinner or lunch, a way to be able to make a soup that can last you throughout the heat, and another way to be able to coat your cauliflower. Thank you a lot for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.
Subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.